over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told ya, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know, 'cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I knew I needed you, I never show, but I wanna stay with you until we're growing old. We've come so far, my dear, look how we've grown. I wanna stay with you until we're growing old. Just say you won't let go, just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts, 'cause you were always there for me when I needed you most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise till death we part, like in our vows. So I wrote this song for you, that everybody knows.